Welcome to Apex Detail Studio. My name is Gaurav. This is a Porsche GT4. You notice I'm holding the keys to the car, and that's yellow. And that's because this car was originally blue first, and we had done a full wrap on this car a couple of years ago to make it to a yellow from a blue. And now the car's changed hands, and now it's in its new owner. And the new owner has now decided to go the full color PPF, where we've changed from blue to green. So yellow to blue to green. It's a very special project. We've had this car for a while and we've done some great stuff on this car. Now, obviously the benefits of the color PPF is you get the protection of a paint protection film while giving you a paint-like mirror finish. The biggest difference being that on a wrap, you can see a lot of orange peel. On a color PPF, it looks just like paint. We've gone through extreme lengths to make sure that this car looks as OEM and factory as possible. Of course, we've had to dismantle quite a lot of parts on the car. And that's only because when we try to get into the crevices and the interior sections, that's where we've done it with peelable paint. Now, a lot of things about peelable paint, quality is a concern, the finishing is a concern, whether it's going to be as good as what it looks on the outside. And that's exactly what I want to show you, the quality of work that we offer here at Apex. Now you see at the exterior, there's not a single sign of yellow on the car, barring the brakes. This is PCCB brakes, that's why all of these are yellow. But apart from that, everything on the car is green. You can't figure out whether the car was yellow, blue, or whichever color there was before. Now, we've done a lot of great jobs onto this. Of course, it's completely tuck-in. No edges visible, nothing's coming across as well. And I quite like the metallic color that this car is getting. It's a very, very popping color. We're going to be doing some custom decals for this as well. We're going to have a Porsche logo over here, which we're going to do it once the car comes back for a PPF check. Now, we've obviously done the entire doors, mirrors, everything else that is done. Now, this is what the outside of the car looks like. But where things get really, really interesting is when you open the door. Now, most wraps, when you open the door, you can see the original color of the car inside, whichever color that was. However, on this car, when you open the door, you can see the finishing, which is the exact same color as outside. We've got all the cracks and crevices over here. It's been properly masked off and a full proper paint has been done on this. Absolutely flawless and brilliant work, and I'm so proud and impressed by the work that we've been turning around on this car as well. Now, again, moving on to the back, we've also covered the very intricate details such as these sections over here. These are very, very difficult to wrap, but we have gone ahead and done those as well. And then these door handles have also been painted in this exact spec, which is on the outside. Now, moving around to the back of the car, we've covered everything which you can imagine, including the deck lid and the spoiler over here, so giving it a complete OEM factory look. We've kept the decals the way that it is, which is on the GT4 as it comes from the factory. Love the look that this car is coming through. The only yellow which I can see over here is the yellow stitching and obviously the keys. The rest, everything else looks very, very, very good. And as you can imagine, that this is the quality of expertise and perfection which you can expect here at Apex. Color PPFs are the new thing which is in town, and while they're great products, if they're installed perfectly, this is what the end result could look like. Now, even looking at the intricate details, we've done peelable paint, which is around these sections and this section over here, you can tell that it's an absolute flawless finish. Now, we've left nothing on this car to chance, which means under the hood as well, if you see over here, we've painted all of this as well in that very nice finish that you can see. So even when you're driving the car, you can't see any yellow that's out there as well. So everything over here, very high gloss, very good finishing. And like I said, you can't find any yellow on this car. The real shine of the car is when you take it out in the sun, that's when the metallic sparkle really sparkles. And what I absolutely love is the finishing. It looks just like paint. If I were not to tell you that this is color PPF, you would mistake it to be a paint. So if you're looking for quality work which is of this level, get in touch with us at Apex Detail Studio, and me and my team will be very happy to assist you to make your dream project come true.